Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's USA visit has been important and substantial in terms of scale and its outcomes. It has made every Indian proud that President Biden hosted PM Modi at his residence in Delaware. This continued engagement between leaders of the oldest, largest democracies in the world is great for global peace and well-being. The meeting between PM Modi and President Biden has led to rich outcomes in diverse fields, from trade to culture, greatly benefiting the people of our nation. The Quad meeting too has been a moment of immense joy because it reflects how nations with shared values can come together and mitigate key challenges the earth faces. PM Modi's own efforts to make the Quad more meaningful have been duly noted by other Quad leaders too. As a Health Minister of India, I am particularly overjoyed with the Quad leaders embarking on the Cancer Moonshot initiative. This will add strength in the fight against cancer and impact lives of millions across the world. PM Modi's bilateral engagements, be it with the President Abbas, be it the President Zelensky, indicate a rising feeling that his interventions on the world peace are greatly valued and also present a ray of hope in the world marred by politics. His bilateral meetings with leaders of Vietnam, of Nepal and Kuwait will enhance India's friendship with these nations. At a time of climate change and sustainability are pressing challenges, PM Modi's words from the United Nations during the summit of the future will remain guiding lights towards ensuring a better tomorrow. It is important, as he said, to overcome challenges together and at the same time reform institutions to give place to those whose voice was not heard on the table. It is also great to see that leading lights of the tech and the business world engage with PM Modi and, more than that, appreciate the reform trajectory in the last decade. These interactions are leading to significant investments, thus creating jobs for many Indian youths. Therefore, in about 55 hours, Prime Minister Modi has covered various topics, thus ensuring important deliverables for India and the world.